Good afternoon, children. Now our third lesson, isn't it? Then trip to Bhopal. The children that they already started their journey at 9 o'clock, and in between on the way they saw a petrol pump, and they already stopped their bus because they have to refill the two buses. They have to refill two buses, so they already stopped and one bus is taking 15 minutes to refill. One bus is taking 15 minutes to refill. So time taken to refill two buses, that is 15 minutes. One bus is taking 15 minutes. One bus is taking to refill, that is 15 minutes. So two buses taking means, then how much time taking for two buses to refill, children? That is, for two buses means 15 plus 15. 15 plus 15. How much time taking? That is 30 minutes. Half an hour, isn't it? 30 minutes is taking to refill two buses. And after that, they already started their journey. Then their children already wish to stop in the Bimbadka. What is that? That is a place. Bimbadka means that is a place. In place with lots of caves and cow paintings by the people. That is Bimbadka means that is a place with lots of caves and cow paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. That is made by the people 10,000 years ago. 10,000, how is writing that 10,000, children? 10,000. Look here. 10. 10,000. Thousands means how many zeros in thousands, children? 3 zeros, isn't it? 1,000, 10,000. 1,000 means, look here, 1,000, 3 zeros in that. 10,000 means you can write it 10. And thousands, that 3 zeros, also put it, then 10,000. So this Bimbadka, that is Bimbadka means that is a place with lots of caves and cow paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. Okay, and children are already wish to see that caves and cow paintings, and they already looked at and the guide is telling that that is more than 600 cow paintings also already there. And in between, and in that cow paintings, so that is the paintings of the bisons, deers, and peoples already in that. Okay, and then after 12 o'clock, they already reached the in Bimbadka, they reached at 11 o'clock, and 1 hour they spent there. That means about 12 o'clock. Then from 12 o'clock they again started their journey, and they went to Bhopal, and about till 1 o'clock they already reached in Bhopal. And in Bhopal, on that time 1 o'clock means that is the lunch time, isn't it? On that time children are very hungry, so they taken their lunch packets, and teachers already distributed their bananas, oranges, and biscuits also distributed. And here's telling each child, yes, listen, the teachers also distributed biscuits and oranges, bananas. Each child is to be given 1 orange, 5 biscuits, and 1 bananas. Each child they gave to each child. Yes, each child given to 1 banana, 1 orange, and 5 biscuits to each child. They distributed 1 banana, 1 orange, and 5 biscuits to each child. But here they are telling all the children take oranges and biscuits. But 38 children do not take their bananas. 38 children do not take bananas. Then what is the total number of children went to trip, children? What is the total number of children? That we know, that is 210 children already went to trip, isn't it? Then total number of children, look here, total number of children, that is 210. Total of children, that is 210. Then question is, how many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed? Total, how many oranges, how many biscuits and how many bananas are distributed? Here look here, the total number of children 210. So number of oranges distributed. Number of oranges distributed. How much children? Yes, each child one orange is given to each child, isn't it? So 210 children, total 210 children. So they gave 210 oranges to children, isn't it? Because one orange to each child. So total 210 into 1. So they gave 210 oranges. And how many biscuits they gave children? 5 biscuits to each child, isn't it? 5 biscuits to each child. So number of biscuits distributed, that is to each child 5 biscuits. So total number of children, that is 210. So they gave 5 biscuits to 210 children. They gave 5 biscuits to each child. So how many biscuits they already distributed means 210 into 5. That is 1050. Look here. 5 zeros, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. That is 1050. The next one, so oranges, 210 oranges already given and 1050 biscuits already given because 5 biscuits to each child, isn't it? The next one, number of bananas. That's a problem. Yes, because 38 children do not take bananas, isn't it? So number of children 210. In that, number of children do not take bananas, that is 38. How many children do not take the bananas? 38 children do not take the bananas, isn't it? So that 38 we want to subtract from the total children, isn't it? Because 210 children already went to the trip. Out of that 210, 38 children do not take the banana. So that 38 we want to subtract from 210. Okay. Then how much that? 210 minus 38. 10 minus 8, that is 2, and 9 minus 3. Yes, here 0. 0 minus 8, that is not possible. So take it from here, isn't it? 10 minus 8, and then that is 10, 7. Then here this 2 becomes 1, 172. So how many children needed bananas? How many children needed bananas? That is 172 children needed bananas because 38 children do not need the bananas. They do not take the bananas. So 170, the teachers gave 172 bananas to children because yes. Then how many bananas distributed? Number of bananas distributed, that is 172 into 1 each, isn't it? 172 children. Number of children needed bananas, that is 172 to each one banana. So 172 into 1, that is 172 bananas. So the school distributed 210 oranges, 1050 biscuits and 172 bananas they already given. Okay. Then they already had their food, and after that they went to boating. After that they already, and in between that they already played and puzzles and other things they already played, and after that they already went to the boating. Yes, we look at here children. Then types of boats. Which are the types of boats that already given? The double decker boat and pedal boat, and next one motor boat and boat with oars. Which are the types of boats? Types of boats, that is double decker, pedal boat, motor boat and boat with oars. boat with oars. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 different types of boats. And this is used for boating. What are they? Double decker boat, then pedal boat, boat with oars, and motor boat. These are the 4 types of boats using for the trip. And what are the ticket prices of each boating? What are the ticket prices? Then ticket prices is 34 double decker ticket price, 30 rupees for 30 rupees for double decker, and 15 rupees for pedal boat, and 25 rupees for motor boat, and 15 rupees for boat with hose. These are the ticket prices. 30 rupees for double decker, and 15 rupees for pedal boat, and 25 rupees for motor boat, and ticket price of the boat with hose, that is 15 rupees. And next one is how much time taken. How much time taken in each trip? Yes, trip time is 45 minutes. Trip time. That double decker boat is taking 45 minutes. That is 45 minutes. And pedal boat, that is 30 minutes. And motor boat taking 20 minutes. And boat with hose, that is 45 minutes. These are the details of that boating. This is the types of boat, 4 types of boat, that is double decker boat, pedal boat, and motor boat. Last one, boat with hose. And this one is the ticket prices. That is 30 rupees for double decker, 15 rupees for pedal boat, and 15 rupees for boat with hose, 25 rupees for motor boat. And each trip take the time taken by each trip. That is motor boat that is 20 minutes, and double decker, that is 45 minutes, and pedal boat, that is 30 minutes, and boat with hose, that is 45 minutes in each trip. Okay, then did you understand what are the different types of boat and ticket prices and time taken in each trip? Then you want to, after that you have to first you have to read this question well 2 or 3 times. What are the different types of boats, and what are the ticket prices, and how much time taken by each trip. After that you have to find the answer for the question. Yes, look here. Here the question is here. Indra and Banu, 2 children, first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. That is Indra and Banu, 2 children, already first went in the motor boat. First they went in the trip of motor boat, and after that then they took the oar boat. After that they took oar boat also. Look here, how much did they pay for both the boats? How much have to pay? How much did they pay to both the trip? Yes, question is that. How much did they pay to both the trip? Which are the both trip? First is the trip with motor boat. After that, trip with oar boats, isn't it? Yes, oar boat, and 2 children also, isn't it? Yes, look here. First they went to which one? First where they went in motor boat. First they went in motor boat. What is the ticket price of motor boat, children? 25 rupees, isn't it? 25 rupees, and that 25 rupees means 2 children went in the motorboat trip, isn't it? 2 children went in the motor trip. Motor trip means they have to taken 2 tickets, isn't it? Because 2 children, 2 tickets means the ticket price is 25 rupees for 1 ticket. So 2 tickets for Indra 25 rupees, and for Banu 25 rupees. Then how much rupees, children? 50 rupees, isn't it? And after that, first they went to motor boat trip, and second they took the or trip, isn't it? That or boat trip. What is the ticket price of or boat? That is 15. So Indra have to pay, for Indra have to pay 15 and to Banu also 15. So 30 rupees. Then how much rupees they want to pay? They want to pay 80 rupees for that 2 trips by 2 children. Isn't it? Did you understand? Yes. You look now. What is the ticket price of the motor boat? That is 25 rupees. And what is the ticket price of the boating with oars? That is 15 rupees. And that is 2 children, isn't it? So they have to take 2 tickets for boating because Indra and Banu, 2 children. So for motor boating, they have to take the 2 tickets. That is 25 plus 25. That is 50 rupees. And after that, they also took the or boat also. That is 15 rupees for 1 ticket, isn't it? So 15 plus 15, that is 30. 50 plus 30, 80 rupees they want to pay. Okay. Then next one. Next question. What is next question? How much time did they get for both rides? How much time they take for both rides? Look here. How much time for motor boating? That is 20 minutes. Time taken to, yes, time taken to motor boat, that is 25, isn't it? Yes, 25 minutes. Not 25 minutes, so motor boating, that is 20 minutes. 20 minutes. And how much time taken for the oar boating, children? That is 45 minutes, isn't it? How much time? That is 45 minutes. So time taken to oar boating, that is 45 minutes. But here no need to separate time taken, isn't it? No need to separate time taken because they both of them are in together. They are that rides in together, isn't it? So time is one time. 20 minutes. The here ticket they want to take it separately, but here the riding is together. Okay. So 20 plus 45. How much time? 65 minutes. Then time taken for both trip, that is 65 minutes. Okay. Then next question. Which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? Which boat makes, next one. Which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? Yes. Which boat make 2 trips in 1 hour? That is 2 trips in 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes, children? 1 hour means that is 60 minutes, isn't it? That you already learned. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That already learned, isn't it? So here, which trip is, or which boat not trip? Which boat taken 2 trips in 1 hour? In 1 hour, 2 trips. Which boat is taking? Look here. Look here. Which boat is taking in 1 hour 2 trips? Look here. 30 minutes. 30 minutes means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Then we want to take it this 60 minutes by 2 trips. We have to take 2 trips in 60 minutes. So 2 trips in 60 minutes means we can take it pedal boat. If we take pedal boat trip, if we take the pedal boat for riding, then we can take 2 trips by this boat, isn't it? Because 1 trip means 30 minutes. So 2 trips means 30 minutes plus 30 minutes. 30 minutes plus 30 minutes, that is 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. So which boating is which boat is taking makes 2 trips in 1 hour? That is pedal boat. That is pedal boat. That is 30 minutes. 30 plus 30 or 30 into 2. That is 60 minutes. Okay, that is 1 hour. The next question. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Which boat takes less than half an hour? Half an hour means 1 hour is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, isn't it? So half an hour means half of 60. What is half of 60? Half of 60, that is 30 minutes. Half of 60, that is 30 minutes. So question is, which boat takes less than half an hour means less than 30 minutes, isn't it? Less than 30 minutes, below 30. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Which one is that? That is motor boat, that is less than 20 minutes. The trip of motor boat, that is time taking 20 minutes, that is less than half an hour, less than 30 minutes, isn't it? So that answer is motor boat. You can write it here, the answer motor boat. Then next one more in that, children. Yes, one group, look here, one group of children went for the double-decker trip and they paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker trip? Yes, one group of children went to the double-decker trip. One group of children, we don't know how many children in that trip. That group already went for the double-decker trip, and they paid, one group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid 450 rupees in total. They paid 450 rupees in total. And the question is, how many children went for the double-decker trip? How many children went for the double-decker trip? Isn't it? One group of children already went. Then we want to find out that how many children in that group. That group already went for the double-decker trip and they already paid 450 rupees. They already paid. Then how much children went for that trip? That we want to find out. So that means 450 rupees. And what is the ticket price of the double-decker children? 30 rupees. What is the ticket price? 30 rupees. Then if we and total amount paid is total amount paid is, that is 450 rupees. 450 rupees. And ticket price is, what is the ticket price of the double-decker? That is rupees 30. From this we can find out how many children went for the trip. So we want to divide 450 divided by 30. That means number of amount paid divided by number of or amount, total amount paid divided by ticket price. Total amount divided by price of the ticket. That means 450 divided by 30. Yes, look here. 450. 1 minute. Yes, how many? 400 divided by 30. How many here? 45. First we can take 45. In 45, how many 30s are there? 130, isn't it? Then next to 15. And we can put this 0, 150. Yes, how many 30s in 150 children? 5 30s. Look here, 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 3s are 15. Then how many children in the group, children? 15 children. Yes, how many children in the group? 15 children already in that group. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay, everyone how to read these questions and you how to practice after this. Okay, everyone how to practice it, children, otherwise you can't do. Okay, then read the question well and do it. Okay, bye children.